safety protocols that we're maintaining. To start with, our new tagline: your safety is our first priority, your beauty is a close second. So that is what we believe to the core of our heart from Lakme Salon. Okay, to start with, as a client salon, we have kept a hand sanitizer outside. We are requesting our clients to use the hand sanitizer and then open the door. So we have placed the red tabs. These are all the possible touch points which are continuously sanitized. Okay, so as we enter, we have kept a red box marked just inside the door, requesting all our clients to stand here, and Joyati, my salon manager, will come and check my temperature.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so she's checking my temperature. Thank you. And she's also going to check her own temperature. Thank you, Jayati. Little on the lower side because of the head shield. Okay, so here is the salon. We have again, I'm proceeding towards the reception area. We have again put a box here. All our clients are requested to stand out here and maintain the distance. So here's Jayati, which is going to run you through the new appointment procedure that we have. Okay, so in the new era that we are in today, we are requesting all our clients to please download Arogya Setu app. Okay, so we are accepting clients, those who are safe as per the app, because there are certain benchmark that one needs to maintain to screen. So here I'll just show you. Bajayati, show me your Arogya Setu app screen. So as you enter and you approach the salon reception, Jayati will request you to show you your Arogya Setu apps, the screen. Okay, so thereafter, I would also like to tell you that the same protocol we are maintaining for all our the staff who are working here, my experts and Jayati, my salon manager. Each one of them have to have their temperature screened every day in the morning. Okay, they have to share their Arogya Setu app screen, and they also have to download and fill in a self declaration. So this is a daily ritual that we have put in place in Lakme Salon. Okay, now what is this self declaration? So this is a declaration that we are requesting even our clients to fill in. So as you book your appointment, we are again requesting all clients to book appointments online, call us. Okay, so the moment your appointment is booked online, you will receive an SMS with a link. Okay, so please tap on that link, enter the details which are in the form that opens up. It's basically a self declaration regarding your health. So once that is done, then we are ready to start your service. So I'm just going to take you now through the salon. So this is our hair station. I've got 4 chairs here, and we've got 2 shampoo stations here. So what we have done is, to maintain social distancing, we have crossed out 2 stations and we are working on 2 alternate stations, and we are using 1 shampoo station. So I'm going to request Ali, Ahmed Ali. He is a senior hairstylist to take us through. Hi Ahmed, how are you?
Welcome back to Lakme Salon.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Bas Tiku. So okay, so before we start, Jyoti is also once again going to check Ahmed's temperature and share that with the client. Thank you so much. All of them are wearing health shields, so that's why it's slightly on the lower side. While all this is going on, Bikram, our housekeeping staff, he's busy sanitizing and disinfecting the door handle which I have touched. Okay. Okay, so this is Ahmed's Arogya Setu app, sorry. Yeah, so thank you, Ahmed. So now take us through the new protocol that we are maintaining
Morning, sir.
before starting a service. Okay, so Ahmed is using BioClean. So this is a disinfectant solution, basically made of sodium hypochlorite, one of the best in the industry, that is being used to disinfect the table, the mirror, the chair, thoroughly disinfected, the armrest, okay, headrest, backrest, everything gets thoroughly disinfected in front of the customer. Okay, and Amit then next goes to his trolley, his tools, where he keeps all his tools. So this is also getting disinfected in front of the customer. Okay, thanks Amit. Next, Amit moves to the shampoo station. Now for every hair service, shampooing is mandatory. So he is disinfecting the shampoo station again thoroughly. Every possible touch points are being thoroughly disinfected by him. Thank you, Amit. So while Amit finishes the disinfectant, I just want to show you the wardrobe behind the shampoo station, which normally would be filled with products. As of now, we have just kept the BioClean cleanser and the hand sanitizer. And Shabbir, our hairstylist, is showing you what he's done. Yeah, hi. What he's done with the products. So he's kept it inside. And what we're doing is we're using these two bowls. These two bowls are sterilized and sanitized after every service. So he is dispensing the product, whether it is a shampoo, conditioner, or whatever, it's a mask, into the two bowls, and then he's using that, to do his service. Thanks a lot. And then that is again closed, and it remains closed all the time. Reason behind doing this is to remove all possible contamination touch points within the salon. Okay, so I'm going back to Ahmed. I'll just go through what he's wearing. He's got a head mask, he's got a face mask, he's got a head shield, he's got a disposable apron, a disposable gloves, and disposable shoes. So all that Ahmed is wearing, he will be wearing it in front of the client before starting his service. Okay, so he does that, and again after the service he will dispose of everything except for the head shield, of course, which he will sterilize. He will dispose of everything in front of the customer. Okay, so now what we have done in Lakme, we have created these monodose kits. Okay, so these are basically individual kits which are kept separately for one customer, one service. So here is the hair kit which Ahmed has created for his customer. So he's going to take us through what he has inside this kit. Yeah, Ahmed.
एक क्लाइंट पे एक ही किट यूज होता है।
हाँ।
इसमें आपका एक कटिंग सीट है, और एक आपका हैंड ग्लव्स है, एक आपका हेड कैप है, एक आपका फेस मास्क है, एक आपका एप्रन है, एक आपका डिस्पोजेबल टॉवल है।
ओके, थैंक यू।
इसके अलावा इसके अंदर में आपका सब सैनिटाइज और स्टेरिलाइज किया हुआ ब्रश है।
ओके।
और आपका ब्लो ड्रायर है। एक क्लाइंट पे एक ही यूज होता है। यूज होने के बाद हम लोग इसको कट करके डस्टबिन में फेंक देंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. Okay, so here we have the sterilizer. Here is also in front of the customer. The rest of the products which Ahmed will use are inside the sterilizer and are taken out from the sterilizer in front of the customer. Yeah, so he's got his clips.
ये सब आपका सोपी वाटर में वॉश हो रहा है। वॉश होने के बाद में हॉट वाटर में आपका डिसइंफेक्टेड वाटर के साथ में वॉश हो रहा है। वॉश होने के बाद में हीट ब्लो आउट किया जा रहा है। उसके बाद में स्टेरिलाइज करके तब फिर कस्टमर पे यूज होगा।
ओके।
बिफोर आफ्टर 2 बार इसका क्लीनिंग है।
ओके, तो इसमें क्या क्या है आपका?
सीजर है, कोम है।
ओके।
सीजर, कोम।
ओके, ग्रेट।
सब स्टेरिलाइज और सैनिटाइज करके उसके बाद फिर यूज हो रहा है। बिफोर आफ्टर 2 बार यूज हो रहा है।
Right. Thank you so much, Amit, for taking us through this. So now I'm going to move to the hair spa and the threading section with Shoma, my expert. Hi, Shoma.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you doing? Okay.
Fine.
So in Lakme, we have started a very innovative technique for threading, and Shoma is going to take us through that. Yeah, Shoma.
Yes, ma'am. हम लोग का लैक्मी में अभी थ्रेडिंग का प्रोसेस चेंज हो गया है। वो है कॉन्टेक्टलेस थ्रेडिंग। लाइक जैसे पहले हम लोग थ्रेड को मुंह में लेके थ्रेडिंग करते थे, लेकिन अभी जैसे आप देख रहे हो इसमें हम लोग थ्रेड रख रहे हैं। इसको यहाँ से निकाल के गले में लूप बना के देन हम लोग थ्रेडिंग करेंगे, मैम। और ये जो आप बॉक्स देख रहे हो, इस बॉक्स में सब कुछ स्टेरिलाइज किया हुआ है। इसमें जो है आप ये पैलेट देख रहे हो, इस ये भी स्टेरिलाइज किया हुआ है। पहले हम लोग इसमें पाउडर, एलोवेरा जेल और कॉटन लेंगे। देन हम लोग सर्विस स्टार्ट करेंगे। हो जाने के बाद इसको फिर स्टेरिलाइज करेंगे, सब कुछ स्टेरिलाइज करेंगे, फिर हम लोग इसमें रख देंगे।
Okay, fantastic. Acha, one feedback which Shoma has given us is that the new technique where the thread goes around the neck, that gives her more control over the threads than when she was holding it in her mouth. So that's another feedback. Of course, the effect of threading is as good as what it was before.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'll just take you around. We have 3 skin rooms. Okay, so Shoma's, I'm going to take you into Shoma's room here. This is the skin room plus our bridal room. Okay, so this bed that we have here, normally we would be keeping a bed sheet on it and arranging a towel on it. So all that is gone now. So it's an empty bed. Shoma is going to sterilize in front of the customer again using BioClean. BioClean is our mantra today. So we use BioClean to sanitize and disinfect the entire bed, and thereafter she places. What all do you place here? Would you like to have a look at the facial box?
फेशियल बॉक्स जो है मैम, ये फेशियल के लिए एक बार यूज होगा। ये एज पे डिस्पोजेबल बेडशीट है, गाउन है, सब कुछ है। और यहाँ पे 4 ब्रशेस रखा हुआ गया है, 4 लाइक पैक लगाने के लिए, डिटेल लगाने के लिए, स्क्रब लगाने के लिए। तो इसमें सब कुछ अलग से है। ये जब क्लाइंट का सर्विस हो जाएगा, देन हम लोग पूरा बॉक्स सैनिटाइज करेंगे, फिर नए से हम लोग इसमें सब कुछ डालेंगे। तो एक बॉक्स एक ही क्लाइंट के लिए है।
Thank you so much. Okay, so and she also has another box here which is waxing. I'd like to tell you a little bit about waxing. Again, in Lakme Salon, we have introduced an innovative way of waxing to ensure hygiene, which Shoma will take us through.
हम लोग का वैक्सिंग का भी अभी टेक्निक चेंज हुआ है, लाइक वन डिप टेक्निक है। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, यहाँ पे सब कुछ हम लोग का एक ही क्लाइंट के लिए एक बॉक्स है, लाइक डिस्पोजेबल गाउन, बेडशीट, सब कुछ है इसमें। तो पहले जैसे हम लोग वन डिप टेक्निक क्या है, पहले जैसे हम लोग एक ही स्ट्रिप को लेके बार बार उसको डिप करके यूज करते थे। इस बार ऐसा नहीं होगा, टेक्निक चेंज हुआ है। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, लाइक हम लोग इस साइड से पहले अप्लाई करेंगे, देन हो जाने के बाद इसको रैप करके फिर इस साइड से अप्लाई करके इसको हम लोग फेंक देंगे। तो ये है हम लोग का वन टिप टेक्निक। इससे क्या होता है, हाइजीन मेंटेन हो रहा है और सेफ्टी भी मेंटेन हो रहा है।
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so we have one more type of waxing that we have introduced in the salon. Yeah.
This is garbage wax. It is totally different wax. Like हम लोग का ये जो वैक्स है, ये वैक्स एक ही क्लाइंट के ऊपर एक बार ही यूज होगा। सपोज इसमें वैक्स बचा हुआ है, देन हम उसको क्लाइंट के सामने इसको फेंक देंगे। तो ये टोटली हाइजीन मेंटेन है, इससे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। सेफ्टी बहुत अच्छे से हम लोग मेंटेन करते हैं।
Okay,
ये वैक्स है।
Okay, and the wax you are disposing in front of the customer.
Of course, ma'am.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, thank you, Shoma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now we are moving into our mani-pedi section. Okay, so again we have 2 stations here. One is crossed out, so we are using one. As you can see, it's completely emptied out. Okay, all the shelves are empty. The only thing that we have here again are the boxes, the monodose boxes. And Sangeeta, she is our expert of mani-pedi and skin. Hi Sangeeta, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, so tell us what is it that you have put into your box?
मैम, हम लोगों के यहाँ पे मैनी पेडी का 2 बॉक्स रेडी करके रखे हैं।
Okay.
एक ईच क्लाइंट के लिए एक बॉक्स रेडी करके रखे हैं। जो है हम लोगों का इसमें एक डिस्पोजेबल टॉवल्स हैं जो एक क्लाइंट के ऊपर यूज़ होंगे, फिर हम लोग ये फेंक दिए जाएंगे। फिर यहाँ पे कैविटी ट्रे है जिसमें हम प्रोडक्ट लेके यूज़ करेंगे। यूज़ करने के बाद फिर सैनिटाइज करके स्टेरिलाइज करेंगे। फिर यहाँ पे जितने सारे इक्विपमेंट्स हैं सब हम लोग सैनिटाइज करके स्टेरिलाइज करके रखे हैं। फिर सर्विस करने के बाद फिर से हम सैनिटाइज करके स्टेरिलाइज करके फिर से एक बॉक्स फिर से रेडी करेंगे ईच क्लाइंट के लिए।
Okay, fine. Fantastic. Acha, before I move away from the mani-pedi section, I just want to tell you that as you can see, this was our nail bar. So we have removed everything here basically to remove all possible touch points. Any chance of any contamination has been removed from our salon. Okay, and what we have introduced here today is the nail art. Okay, so in nail art what happens, the nail polish, after applying the nail polish, the fingers are dried by putting the fingers inside the UV curing device. So nothing could be more hygienic than having your fingers sanitized through the UV rays. Okay, so you've got fantastic looking nail polish and done through nail art in the UV machine. Okay, so that's it. Thanks a lot, Sangeeta. Okay, so we've got 2 more skin rooms here. We're not going through that. Okay, so here now I'm just going back to our main area. As you can see, Bikram, his job is to clean the salon 3 times, deep clean 3 times a day, and continuously whenever there is any client who comes in. Okay, Bikram's job is to continuously clean wherever the client could have touched, okay, using BioClean, of course. And here I will go further up and go back to the main reception area. So the reception area is one area where we have all the products which Lakme is retailing. Yeah, these are the retail products. So naturally, this is one area where the products are all out in the open. So what do you do? How do you sanitize these products? So say a customer wants a product, Shabbir is here showing us. He is first sanitizing the product and then he will hand it over to the client. Okay, if the client wants to buy it, fantastic. If not, and the client is handing it back to Shabbir, he is going to once again disinfect it using BioClean. Okay, clean it thoroughly and place it back into the retail shelf. As you can see, all the top of the line retail products we are retailing here. Yeah, Dermalogica, Sistine Valmy, Lakme, Moroccan oil, yeah, and Shoskov, Bedhead, TG, any top of the line product that you're looking for, this is where you need to come to. Okay, so here I'm going back to the reception area, the last point actually. So we are of course encouraging and requesting all our customers to make payment digitally, online or through a credit card or debit card. Of course, the cards are sanitized before and after use. Just in case we have a client who's having only cash, okay, what do? So we've created a cash box, okay, a cash box where we have Jayati is going to take the cash and it is clearly mentioned here 24 hours. So cash that she takes, she places it in the box, keeps it in the drawer and does not touch it for 24 hours. Only after that she takes it out and puts it into the safe. So that is as far as the digital payments are concerned. Of course, we are not giving out any hard copies of bills. We are sending the e-copies, emailing all the bills to our clients. And here is my team. Here is Sangeeta, Amit, Shabbir, Shoma, Jayati and Bikram. Yeah, you can now just turn around here. Okay, so we are all here waiting to serve you. Do give us a call, book your appointments, download Lakme Salon app. That's again one more thing that I would like to talk to you about. Download Lakme Salon app. Not only does it become very easy for you to book, you don't have to even call us, just book, choose your service, choose your expert of choice, choose your time, and the best part about it is that we have tiered membership. There are a whole lot of discounts and offers which come with the app, okay, and these are all again app based discounts and offers which you will have access to. So do that, please download the Lakme Salon app and come for your service complete. I hope I have been able to reassure you that the salon, the hygiene standard that we are maintaining in the salon is as good as what I maintain in my own home. Okay, so take care of yourselves, stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and thank you for joining me in this journey. Bye.
Bye.